is your name?
My name is Mihir Singh. Mihir means the sun in Sanskrit, symbolizing light and positivity. I always try to reflect this meaning, in my life by spreading kindness, optimism and warmth to those around me. I believe every name carries a unique story, and I am proud of the one behind mine.
Where are you from?
I am from a small village called Amda. It's quite far from the, main town. It is surrounded by nature where mornings are filled with the sound of birds chirping and the air is fresh and pure. Growing up there taught me the value of simplicity, hard work, and, living in harmony with nature.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher for high-class students. My job is, not only just about teaching grammar or, vocabulary. It's about helping students grow their confidence, improve communication, and, unlock opportunities for their future. It's like fulfilling to watch them overcome their fears, express, themselves better, and take one step towards achieving their dreams.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, include reading books, painting, and, playing games. Reading allows me to explore different worlds, gain a lot of knowledge, and fuel my imagination. Painting is my way of, expressing creativity. It helps me to see beauty in small things and, brings peace to my mind. And on the other side, playing games keeps me more active and reminds me of a lot of things to enjoy the lighter side of my life.
Can you describe your family?
Yes, my family is my world. It consists of my loving wife, my adorable daughter, and me. We share a strong bond and spend quality time together, creating a home filled with joy, laughter, and support. My wife is the backbone of my family, managing everything with grace, while my daughter brings a lot of happiness with her innocence and energy. Together we inspire each other to grow and cherish every single moment.
What are your strengths?
My strength include excellent communication skills, the ability to solve problems creatively, and my hardworking nature. I also enjoy creating engaging and meaningful content. All these qualities not only help me connect with my students but also enable me to face challenges and turn them into opportunities. They have been instrumental in my growth as a teacher and as an individual.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English, because it's more than just a language. It's a powerful tool that connects people, bridges cultural gaps, and opens doors to endless opportunities. I love how English helps us express thoughts, emotions, and ideas, and making it an essential skill for personal and professional growth.
Why are you teaching English?
Yes, I teach English because I believe it's a life-changing skill in today's world. It can help students pursue higher education, secure better jobs, and communicate confidently with people across the globe. Watching students grow, succeed, and achieve their dreams motivates me to give my best every single day. Teaching English is my way of making a positive impact on their lives.
What is one unique thing about you?
One unique thing about me is my passion for storytelling. I enjoy weaving stories that captivate and inspire people. Whether it's teaching in the classroom, engaging in conversations, or writing or storytelling helps me connect with others on a deeper level. It also makes learning more enjoyable and adorable for my students especially.
What are your goals for the future?
My goal is to inspire students and make a lasting impact in education. I dream of traveling the world, experiencing different cultures, and sharing my knowledge with others. And I also aim to help students believe in their potential and encourage them to chase their dreams fearlessly. And ultimately, I hope to leave behind a legacy of positivity, learning, and empowerment.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.